Welcome to the quick revision video on data representation, part 2 on denary. In the last video, we discussed binary. In this quick revision, we are going to revise denary. Let's begin by defining denary. Denary is the base 10 number system. Okay, so we can say it is a base 10 number system. And this is the system that we use every day. It uses 10 digits and it runs from 0 through 9. So you have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the highest number in denary is a 9 and the lowest is a 0. So this one is also known as this is base 10, and we call it as a decimal. We normally call it as, it's called a decimal. We have a number 135. So let's look at the place value for this one. We know that in denary, the place value should be 10 to power 0, then 10 to power 1, then 10 to power 2. So we start from 0 going up, like 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. So any number raised to power 0 is 1. And the 10 to power 1, so any number raised to power 1 is a number itself. So this one is 10. Then 10 power 2 means 10 times 10. So we multiply the number itself 2 times, which will give us what? 100. This is why we say the place value for this one is ones. The place value for this one is tens. The place value for this one is hundreds. Then if we have another one here, another value here, the place value will be 10 to power 3, meaning 10 times 10 times 10. Multiply 10 3 times, which will give us 1,000. So we have ones, tens, hundreds, then thousands. That is how we have those place values. Denary conversion. So to convert any number from denary to any base, we use this rule. A number that is a base into denary. That is the first one. Then the second rule is to write down the remainder. Write down the remainder. Then you divide the quotient. Don't worry, we'll make it easy with an example. You divide the quotient from step 1 by the base. Then step 4, you repeat until the quotient becomes 0. Then the fifth rule is to write the remainder in reverse order. Okay, let's have an example. Convert 13 to binary. So what you do is you write it like this. You have 13 here, and then you have the remainder there. So the first rule is you divide 2 into 13, that is 6, remainder 1. 2 into 6, that is 3, remainder 0. 2 into 3 is 1, remainder 1. 2 into 1 is 0, remainder 1. So when you are reading, you read it in the reverse order, like this. So our answer here is 11012 in binary. So when you convert 13, which is in decimal, to binary, you are going to have this one. So you do this for any number that is in denary that you are converting to binary. You divide it and then you get the remainder, write it in the reverse order.